This is our organize the quarterly paperwork for my kids. So first I got this ProClick spines. So they're very convenient, and they come with a lot, so I don't have to buy new spines in a couple years. And then I have this plastic cover. So this is what you're seeing here. And then I bind their books according to subjects. So I have a lesson plan in the front where they can have all their lessons written out, and then there's the phonics and language too. I got writing and arithmetic on the last one, so it's organized. So here is my binding process. I'm going to continue this in the next video. So to start the binding, you get one piece of this and one piece of this, and I have a binder here. It's a manual binder. Just adjust the settings over here and the depth of the holes over here, and just like this. So you can see there's holes, and I'm gonna make another one for the back. So I'm gonna make another one for the back. So I have one for the front and one for the back. And then, for instance, you can use like 8 pages of this, 8 pages of like the paper. This is one of my planners, So I'm gonna get 8 pages. That's the max it can handle. You don't want to use more. And just line it up evenly. And there you go. So the same. So here is the lines. They're pretty straight, and then you put this cover piece on the back like so. In the front, it's very easy. I just line up the holes like this, and you can lock them for demonstration purposes. So all you have to do to lock it is like this, and it's also easy to open. So if you need to open it, just click it like that. So I'm going to be binding some more papers, but that is how I bind my books for first quarter. So I hope this video helps, and it saves us a lot of money. So I don't have to go to Staples to have it binded. I just do it my own. I buy the supplies in bulk, so it saves money. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.